Okay, great. Now look at the example on the screen. Can you see equation 1 is written in the form y equals 4 minus x, and then equation 2 is written as x plus 3y equals 8?
Yes.
In equation 1, we can see that point 1 is already in the form of one variable in terms of the other. In this case, it is y. But in other equations, it can be another unknown. Now can you see that we substitute equation 1 into equation 2? See how the equation we are trying to solve only has one variable and one equation?
Yes.
In this case, we are given the value of y. In other cases, we may need to rearrange the equation around to get one of those variables on one side of and equal to the other. Now we just need to expand, simplify, and solve this equation. X plus 3 open brackets 4 minus x equals 8. We follow the steps down and we find that x equals 2. Now that we have x equals 2, do you know what we need to do with this?
You need to put x equals 2 back into one of the equations, but I'm just never sure which one is correct.
Okay, you are right that you need to put it back into one of the equations and solve for y. It actually doesn't matter which equation you put the x back into, because we'll actually come up with the same solution. Let's try putting it into both equations. If we substitute the value of x back into equation 1, we have y equals 4 minus x. Therefore, we have y equals 4 minus 2. And what's that equal? Y is equal to?
2.
Excellent. Now, how about you put x equals 2 back into the second equation and tell me what we get? Can you tell me what equation 2 is?
Equation 2 is x plus 3y equals 8.
Great. Now, how about you substitute x equals 2 into that equation and tell me what you get?
Okay, I'm going to write this down. Okay, x plus 3y equals 8. Now substitute x equals 2. We get 2 plus 3y equals 8.
Excellent. Now, how about you solve the remainder and find the value of y for me?
Okay, 3y equals 8 minus 2. 3y equals 6. Y equals 6 over 3. And so y equals 2.
Exactly right. We can see that no matter which equation we have, we can still substitute the known variable back into either equation and still get the same answer. Before moving on to solving by elimination, let's do a few practice questions. Do you want me to write some down, or do you have some from your homework?
I have some from my homework.
Okay, great. Did you want to read them out for me and I'll write them down?
Okay. The first one is 2x plus y equals 10, and 7x plus 8y equals 53.